Today we are exploring something amazing, the top 5 medical devices that revolutionized healthcare. By the end of this video, you'll understand how these incredible innovations by leading medical companies have transformed medicine forever. Let's go! Coming in at number 5 is GE's Healthcare Revolution CT scanner. But before we talk about this amazing machine, let me take you back to 1972 when Sir Geoffrey Hounsfield and EMI created the first CT scanner. The first patient scan took place at Atkinson Morley Hospital in London. It took several hours to capture a single image. Fast forward today and GE Healthcare Revolution CT can scan your entire body in less than a second. Dr. James Min at Weill Cornell Medicine used this scanner to diagnose a life-threatening aneurysm in Sarah Campbell, a 28-year-old marathon runner, just minutes before it could have ruptured. The detail was so incredible that surgeons knew exactly what to do before making a single incision. Here is what makes it special. While all CT scanners needed multiple scans for different parts of your body, GE's Revolution can capture your heart in just one heartbeat. It's so fast that doctors can see your heart pumping in real time, like watching a movie. Number 4 is Medtronic's MiniMed system, what I call the artificial pancreas. In 2020, Medtronic launched this game-changing device that automatically adjusts insulin levels every 5 minutes. Let me share a real story. Jake Leach, now Dexcom's Chief Technology Officer, has a son with type 1 diabetes who used this system. His son went from checking his blood sugar 12 times a day to letting the pump do all the work automatically. He even played in his high school basketball championship without worrying about his glucose levels. The coolest part? The pump talks to your smartphone. So Medtronic collaborated with IBM to create an AI algorithm that learns your body's pattern and adjusts insulin delivery accordingly. It's like having a tiny diabetes expert with you 24/7. At number 3, we have Da Vinci Surgical System by Intuitive Surgical. Imagine controlling robot arms that can perform surgery with precision that human hands can't match. Dr. Catherine Moore, now president of the Intuitive Foundation, helped develop this technology. In the year 2000, they performed the first robotic surgery, and since then, over 10 million procedures have been completed worldwide. Here is a fascinating example. In 2021, Dr. Pierre Christopher at the University of Illinois Hospital used the Da Vinci system to remove a tumor the size of a tennis ball from Maria Rodriguez's pancreas through incisions smaller than a dime. Maria was back home in just 3 days. With traditional surgery, she would have spent 2 weeks in the hospital. Coming in at number 2 is Stryker's Mako robot. This amazing machine has transformed how we do joint replacements. Dr. William Barger, one of the pioneers of robotic orthopedic surgery, helped develop this technology that's now used in over 1,000 hospitals worldwide. Check this out. In 2022, Dr. Stephen Haas at Hospital for Special Surgery in New York used Mako to perform knee replacement surgery on John Martinez, a 45-year-old construction worker. So the robot created the 3D model of John's knee and guided the surgeon with a precision of less than a millimeter. John was back at work in just 6 weeks, half the usual recovery time. The Mako robot has gone over 500,000 procedures since its launch. That's 500,000 people walking without pain thanks to this technology. And now our number 1 spot goes to Medtronic's Micra pacemaker, the world's smallest heart device. This tiny marvel is changing lives in ways that its inventor, Wilson Greatbatch, could never have imagined back in 1958. Let me tell you a story about Robert Thompson, a 77-year-old grandfather from Minnesota. In 2021, Dr. Charles Love at Mayo Clinic implanted this device, smaller than a vitamin pill, into Robert's heart through a tiny incision in his leg. No chest surgery, no wires, and Robert went home the next day. And the really mind-blowing part, the really surprising part, this pacemaker sent data to Robert's cardiologist through a bedside monitor, and its battery can last up to 15 years. So Medtronic has implanted over 100,000 micro devices worldwide since its launch in 2016. And there you have it! 5 incredible innovations that are saving lives every day. From GE Healthcare's light and fast CT scanners to Medtronic's tiny pacemakers, these devices show us how medical technology keeps pushing boundaries. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing medical technology stories. Tell me in the comments which device surprised you the most. It's Voronkova. See you in the next video.